Alright, we're back with another video. This time we have the Anker 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, charging cable or syncing cable. It comes with a travel pouch, ultra durable. It has a lifetime warranty. USB-C to USB-C 2.0. Power delivery, I guess that's for fast charging. Let's get this open. Okay, all right. Okay. Nothing fancy. Comes with a case. Has kind of like a little small magnet on the inside to keep it closed. And has this Velcro here to hold it in, very soft on the inside. It is a 6-foot cable. Let's get this out of here. Has the branding on the ends. Nice braided cable. It is thick. It doesn't seem like one that'll just break, but it does have a lifetime warranty. Feels like a heavy duty cable. This is a 6-foot cable. I think I got this on clearance at Walmart for $9.99, or may have been $4 or something like that, but I think the regular price is 20 something, like $25. I'm not sure, but you can check on Amazon or Walmart.com for sure. It is a good cable. I have used one of these. I have another one. I use it with my Anker USB-C fast charger, and it works well. It works well. I use it with my iPad Pro, iPhone as well. So I would recommend this item. If you want to go check it out, make sure you leave your comments below. Any questions or comments, put it down below. You can visit Anker.com. They have them as well. I sure appreciate you tuning in to this review. See y'all next time.